Are you tired of eating eggs for breakfast on keto? You're not alone. While eggs are a keto staple, they're not your only option. Whether you have an egg allergy, a food preference, or just need some variety, there are plenty of delicious keto-friendly breakfasts without a single egg. In this video, we're sharing 15 easy and delicious keto breakfast ideas that are low in carbs, high in healthy fats, and completely egg-free. So if you're ready to switch up your morning routine, let's dive in. First on our list is keto chia pudding, a creamy, nutritious, and egg-free breakfast that's perfect for meal prep. You'll need just a few ingredients: chia seeds, unsweetened almond milk, and your favorite keto-friendly sweetener. Mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of almond milk, stir well, and let it sit overnight in the fridge. By morning, it transforms into a thick, pudding-like texture. For extra flavor, top it with berries, coconut flakes, or chopped nuts. You can even add a dash of cinnamon or vanilla extract. It's creamy, filling, and packed with fiber. Perfect for a healthy keto start to your day. Let's check out the next recipe. Next up, we have a classic avocado and smoked salmon plate. A simple, high-fat, and protein-packed keto breakfast. For this recipe, you'll need ripe avocado, smoked salmon, cream cheese, capers, olive oil, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Simply slice the avocado and arrange it on a plate with the smoked salmon. Add a dollop of cream cheese and sprinkle capers on top. For extra flavor, drizzle with olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon. You can also add a pinch of black pepper or fresh dill. This is a light but satisfying keto breakfast, perfect for busy mornings. Now, let's move on to the next delicious idea. If you're looking for an easy keto breakfast without eggs, this keto smoothie without dairy is a game changer. For this recipe, you'll need unsweetened coconut milk, avocado, fresh spinach, MCT oil, and a scoop of keto-friendly protein powder. Just blend everything together until smooth. If you like it sweeter, add a little sugar-free syrup or monk fruit sweetener. This smoothie is packed with healthy fats to keep you full and energized, making it one of the best keto breakfasts with no eggs. Quick, delicious, and perfect for an on-the-go keto breakfast. Let's move on to the next idea. Looking for a low-carb breakfast without eggs that's creamy, crunchy, and satisfying? Try this keto-friendly yogurt bowl loaded with healthy toppings. You'll need unsweetened Greek yogurt or coconut yogurt, along with toppings like almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and a drizzle of sugar-free syrup. Simply scoop the yogurt into a bowl, sprinkle the nuts and seeds on top, and drizzle with keto-friendly sweetener for an extra touch of sweetness. This is a high-fat, low-carb breakfast that's packed with protein and fiber, perfect for a healthy egg-free keto meal. It's quick, delicious, and one of the best keto breakfasts with no eggs. Let's move on to the next recipe. If you miss crunchy cereal on keto, this keto granola recipe is a perfect substitute. It's delicious, filling, and completely egg-free. To make this, you'll need a mix of nuts, seeds, coconut flakes, a little coconut oil, and a keto-friendly sweetener. Simply mix the ingredients, spread them on a baking sheet, and bake at 300 degrees F, 150 degrees C, for about 15-20 minutes until golden and crispy. Serve it with unsweetened almond milk or macadamia nut milk for a satisfying low-carb breakfast without eggs. This high-fat, low-carb breakfast is crunchy, sweet, and perfect for meal prep. Let's move on to the next egg-free keto meal. Looking for a quick and protein-packed keto breakfast on the go? These cheese and deli meat roll-ups are perfect. You'll need slices of turkey, ham, or roast beef, your favorite cheese, and a little cream cheese or mustard for extra flavor. Simply spread a thin layer of cream cheese onto each slice of meat. Place a cheese slice on top and roll it up tightly. For variety, add extras like spinach, pickles, or olives inside the rolls to boost flavor and texture. These high-protein, low-carb roll-ups are great for a keto-friendly breakfast option when you're short on time. Let's check out the next recipe. Who says you need eggs for pancakes? These keto pancakes without eggs are fluffy, delicious, and perfect for a weekend treat. To make them, you'll need almond flour, flaxseed meal, coconut milk, baking powder, and a keto-friendly sweetener. Mix all the ingredients into a smooth batter, then cook on a greased pan over medium heat. Flip when bubbles start to form. Serve with sugar-free syrup, butter, or fresh berries for a delicious low-carb breakfast without eggs. These pancakes are soft, satisfying, and one of the best keto breakfasts with no eggs. Now, let's move on to the next recipe. Need a grab-and-go low-carb breakfast without eggs. These keto protein bars are perfect for busy mornings. For this recipe, you'll need nuts, coconut oil, almond butter, sugar-free chocolate, and a keto-friendly sweetener. Mix the nuts and almond butter in a bowl. Melt the coconut oil and chocolate. Then combine everything and press into a pan. Chill in the fridge for about 1 hour, then slice into bars. You can store them in the fridge for a quick egg-free keto meal anytime. These bars are packed with healthy fats and protein, making them one of the best keto breakfasts with no eggs. Let's check out the next recipe. Looking for a quick and satisfying keto breakfast without eggs? Try Bulletproof coffee, a rich and creamy drink that keeps you full for hours. You'll need black coffee, grass-fed butter, and MCT oil. These ingredients provide healthy fats to fuel your body and mind. Blend everything together for about 20 seconds until it's creamy and frothy. The result? A smooth, latte-like texture without milk. This coffee helps with sustained energy, mental clarity, and appetite control, making it one of the best keto breakfasts with no eggs. Perfect for busy mornings or as an addition to your high-fat, low-carb breakfast. Now, let's move on to the next recipe. Want a creamy, protein-packed low-carb breakfast without eggs? Try this cottage cheese bowl with berries and nuts. You'll need full-fat cottage cheese, a handful of berries, nuts like almonds or walnuts, and a sprinkle of cinnamon or keto-friendly sweetener. Scoop the cottage cheese into a bowl, add your favorite low-carb berries like raspberries or blackberries, and top with crunchy nuts. For extra flavor, sprinkle with keto-friendly sweetener or cinnamon. This high-fat, low-carb breakfast is packed with protein to keep you full. It's creamy, delicious, and one of the best keto breakfasts with no eggs. Let's check out the next recipe. Craving a warm and comforting low-carb breakfast without eggs? This keto oatmeal is a perfect alternative to traditional oats. You'll need flax seeds, chia seeds, coconut flour, unsweetened almond milk, and a keto-friendly sweetener for this recipe. Mix all the ingredients in a saucepan and simmer over low heat for a few minutes until thick and creamy. Top with nuts, sugar-free syrup, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor. This high-fat, low-carb breakfast is both filling and delicious. This egg-free, grain-free keto-friendly breakfast option will keep you satisfied all morning. Now, let's move on to the next recipe. For a quick and satisfying keto breakfast without eggs, try a low-carb sausage and cheese plate. It's simple, delicious, and packed with protein. You'll need a mix of low-carb sausages, cheeses like cheddar or Gouda, and extras like olives, nuts, or pickles for added flavor. Slice the sausages and cheese, then arrange them on a plate with your favorite low-carb sides like olives or nuts for extra crunch. This high-fat, low-carb breakfast is perfect when you need something savory and satisfying without any cooking involved. It's a protein-packed, keto-friendly breakfast option that's easy to customize. Let's check out the next recipe. Missing toast on a low-carb diet? This keto avocado toast, no bread, is the perfect solution. It's creamy, flavorful, and completely egg-free. Instead of bread, use a chaffle cheese waffle, almond flour toast, or a thick slice of grilled halloumi cheese as your base. Mash a ripe avocado with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Then spread it generously on your keto toast base. Top with extras like crispy bacon, smoked salmon, or everything bagel seasoning for even more flavor. This keto-friendly breakfast option is creamy, satisfying, and packed with healthy fats to keep you full. Now, let's move on to the next recipe. Craving a soft and fluffy muffin on keto? These coconut flour muffins, egg-free, are the perfect low-carb breakfast without eggs. You'll need coconut flour, almond butter, unsweetened almond milk, baking powder, and a keto-friendly sweetener. Mix all ingredients into a smooth batter, then scoop into muffin cups. Bake at 350 degrees F, 175 degrees C, for 20-25 minutes until golden. For extra flavor, add sugar-free chocolate chips, nuts, or cinnamon before baking. These egg-free keto muffins are soft, delicious, and perfect for meal prep. Now, let's check out the final recipe. Looking for a fresh, creamy, and protein-packed keto breakfast without eggs? These stuffed avocados with tuna salad are perfect. You'll need ripe avocados, canned tuna, mayonnaise, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. You can also add celery or pickles for crunch. Mix the tuna, mayo, lemon juice, salt, and pepper in a bowl until well combined. Scoop the tuna mixture into the avocado halves. Garnish with fresh herbs, red pepper flakes, or a drizzle of olive oil. This high-fat, low-carb breakfast is creamy, satisfying, and loaded with healthy fats to keep you full for hours. Now, let's wrap things up. And that's it. 15 delicious keto breakfast ideas without eggs to keep your mornings exciting, satisfying, and completely egg-free. Whether you prefer something sweet, savory, or grab-and-go, there's a low-carb, high-fat breakfast here for you. Which of these egg-free keto breakfasts will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more delicious keto-friendly recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay keto.